Cleaning utensils can be a quick and efficient task with the right tips and tricks. Start by using hot water, as it effectively breaks down grease and food residues. For stubborn stains, soak your utensils in a mixture of hot water and dish soap for about 10 minutes to loosen grime. A powerful combination for stainless steel cutlery is baking soda and vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda on the utensils and pour white vinegar over them to create a foaming reaction that lifts dirt. For oily utensils, rub half a lemon sprinkled with salt over the surface to cut through grease and eliminate odors. Instead of washing everything at once, clean utensils in batches. Begin with smaller items like cutlery before moving on to larger pots and pans. It's also important to replace your scrubbers regularly, as old ones may not clean effectively. After washing, air dry your utensils or use a lint-free towel to prevent water spots. For an extra boost, soak greasy utensils in hot rice water for 30 minutes to soften dirt before scrubbing. You can also mix hot water, salt, and lemon juice for an effective natural cleaner. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can keep your kitchen sparkling.